Fudgee bear cake. Welcome my YouTube channel.
Ingredients:
250 milliliters all-purpose cream, 1 condensed milk to pack Fudgee bar, 2 ripe mangoes. Overnight chilled to 50 ml all-purpose cream, whip until it doubles. Add sweetened condensed milk dough, the all-purpose cream, beat until well blended. Cut the mango. Slice into small cubes. Cubes mango. Put cubes mango mix. Assorted Fudgee bar. Peel off the wrapper of 20 pcs Fudgee bar. Slice in half from the side. Place the Fudgee bar slices at the bottom. Scoop into the cream mixture. Don't leave gaps in between, but a layer of cream mixture on top. Repeat process of adding some ingredients. Add mango cubes on top. Cover the plastic wrap. Refrigerate overnight. Chill. Slice, serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching.